One of the most common mistakes we see with email sending is that people are sending to a list instead of a segment. As a reminder, a list is simply something that is uploaded. It can have people who are unsubscribed, marked as spam, blocked, bounced, any of those things. You always want to send to a segment. In order to see if something is a list or a segment, you can navigate to your List and Segments tab on the left-hand side and look under Type. If you have a list that you would like to send to, but want to create it as a segment in order to keep your sending score up, this will serve as a tutorial for that. Back on February 3rd, 2019, I uploaded our MailChimp list from MailChimp into Klaviyo. This is my list, Rural Hayes subscribers. I don't want to send to all of these people because many of them over time have unsubscribed, their email has dropped, marked as spam, any of those things. So what we want to do is create a segment from those people. So Rural Hayes subscribers is the list we're going to utilize for our segment. As you can see, this has 115,000 people in it. In order to create it as a segment, we're going to go to the top right and click Create List/Segment. It is going to be a segment because it is based on a property that somebody has. So we will call this Rural Hayes subscriber segment. For select condition, we are going to click if someone is or is not in a list. Rural Hayes subscribers. And if someone is not suppressed for email. From there, we are going to click Create Segment.